Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you my breakout target areas that Vechain needs to continue holding above, and also give you my long-term Elliot analysis. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also seeing a massive breakout to the upper side after breaking our key area of resistance at around the $0.02 mark. We even got a retest here on the 4-hour chart, and after the retest was a success, you can see that Vechain has continued to give us higher prices, and there are chances that in case this bullish momentum continues in the next coming hours, we can also see a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark, and a break above that with a successful retest. Then we can continue expecting higher prices. Vechain has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and zooming out on the charts to first give you my long-term Elliot analysis here on the charts, you can see that Vechain gave us a bear market low at around the $0.013 mark before we picked in a 5-wave structure over here, getting a high above the $0.021 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that gave us a corrective move in this ABC corrective structure into the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and we are now seeing the start of an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure play out within the wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And you can see that on the charts, we have now picked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target area for the second wave highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours, we are now going to fully maximize the minimum target areas for this wave 3, which can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.2219 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And in case we continue seeing further push to the upside, break above the $0.02436 mark, which is the next key area of resistance, then there are chances that we are going to see an extended wave 3 to the upper side, giving us a high at the fib level 2.618, and that is at around the $0.02605 mark. So that is the next move that we need to keep our eyes on in the next coming hours in case Vechain continues to show that bullish momentum to the upper side. We also need to have a scenario where we can see a pullback in the next coming hours, given that we have fully maximized minimum target areas for this wave 3. And in case we see a bit of a pullback, or maybe the start of a pullback, then there are chances that that could be the start of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, and the minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high that we have at the moment above the $0.022 mark, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.01997 mark and the $0.01745 mark. That is the area that we can keep our eyes on in case we see a pullback. But for now, I'm just focusing to the upper side, expecting higher prices, and the $0.02436 mark is my next target area, and that is what I'm watching out on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.